Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox food. To start, you will open Roblox Studio, the essential platform for all your creation. Begin by selecting a new baseplate project, providing you with a clean slate. Before you dive in, confirm your internet connection is strong and steady. This ensures smooth saving and asset loading. Preparing your workspace properly lays the foundation for all your delicious virtual dishes, so take your time with this crucial first step. Now, let's create the actual food model using basic shapes. Select the Part tool from your toolbar to insert a cube, sphere, or cylinder into your workspace. Use the Scale tool to modify its dimensions and the Move tool to position it precisely. For more complex items, like a hamburger, you can combine several parts, perhaps a cylinder for the patty and two spheres scaled flat for buns, then group them together. Visual appeal is key for enticing players. Select your food part, then in the Properties window, choose a material like plastic or smooth plastic to give it a base texture. Next, use the Color property to pick a vibrant hue that matches your desired food item. For advanced details, you might import a custom image texture, perhaps for a baked crust or a specific fruit pattern. This step truly brings your food to life. To make your food edible, you will need to add a script. Right-click on your food model in the Explorer window, hover over Insert Object, and select Script. Inside this script, you will write code to detect when a player's character touches the food. For instance, upon touch, the script could increase the player's health by 25 points or perhaps decrease their hunger meter by 1/5. This makes the food truly interactive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.